Understanding heavy atmosphere, a guide to English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, heavy atmosphere. This expression is often used in English to describe a particular kind of social or emotional environment. Stick around as we break down what it means, how to use it, and share examples to help you understand it completely. When we say there's a heavy atmosphere, we're talking about a situation or environment that feels tense, uncomfortable, or filled with negative emotions. This could be because of a recent argument, sad news, or any situation where the air feels thick with unsaid things or emotions. It's as if the atmosphere is so charged with emotions that it feels heavy. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at a few examples. After the argument, the room was left with a heavy atmosphere, making everyone feel uneasy. The news of the layoffs created a heavy atmosphere in the office. You could sense the worry and uncertainty among the employees. During the meeting, there was a heavy atmosphere as everyone awaited the decision that would affect their project's future. In each of these situations, the phrase, heavy atmosphere, is used to describe the emotional climate of the setting. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but using it correctly in conversations is another. Here's how you can incorporate it into your speech. When describing a situation, you can say, "There was a heavy atmosphere because of." To express your feelings about a setting, you might comment, "I felt a heavy atmosphere when I entered the room." Remember, using phrases like heavy atmosphere can help you convey more nuanced emotions and observations in English. And that's a wrap on heavy atmosphere. We hope this video has shed light on how to understand and use this expressive phrase in your daily conversations. Remember, mastering a language includes learning how to describe the world around you in detail, and phrases like this one are key to that. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful English learning content. Stay curious, and keep practicing.